and also the gender of the car. The gender of the car. Hey guys, this is Valentina, your local Argentinian Spanish tutor. Welcome back to yet another video where I give you the best tips and tricks to perfect your Spanish and help you sound like a real native speaker. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm so glad you got here. I am a tutor at Overcome the Barrier, a language learning company that offers you the amazing opportunity of learning Spanish by having conversations with actual native Spanish speakers. In this channel, we post daily content about Spanish grammar, vocabulary, culture, and much more. Si desean aprender español, los invito a que se suscriban a nuestro canal y activen sus notificaciones, así no se pierden de nada. Today's lesson is about definite and indefinite articles in Spanish, also called specific or general articles. Something I've noticed a lot of non-Spanish speakers struggle a lot with, given that in English there's only one definite article, the. In Spanish, you will have to choose from a number of them. Si esto es algo que necesitas practicar, don't go anywhere and let's get right to the video. Vamos. Primero, let's recap a little bit on articles. These are the words that precede nouns. And like I said, in Spanish, nouns are gendered. So that means they are either feminine or masculine. But this isn't the only distinction we'll make regarding articles in Spanish. We will also divide them in singular or plural, feminine or masculine, and definite or indefinite. This would be the Spanish equivalent to the or a. A car could be any car, but the car can only be one specific car. In Spanish, the article will not only change based on this distinction, but also if it's one car or multiple cars, and also the gender of the word car. Let's see what these articles are. Feminine definite articles are la and las. This last one is the plural form. Masculine definite articles are el and los. Also, this last one is the plural form. Feminine indefinite articles are una and unas. Masculine indefinite articles are un and unos. It's important to remember that this is un, not uno. Uno is the number one in Spanish, but it's not an article. But how do we know when to use definite and indefinite articles? Let's take a look at some rules you can follow to know when to use definite articles. Number 1. Definite articles to talk about the days of the week. El lunes, el martes, el miércoles, los sábados, los domingos. Also notice how we only use masculine article. Nos vemos el martes. Number 2. Definite articles to tell time. Son las 2, son las 3, las 4, las 5. And also, always use feminine articles to tell time. And only use singular articles for 1 p.m. or 1 a.m. The rest of the hours are plural. So, es la una, son las 2. Number 3, to talk about things in general or to talk about likes and dislikes, use definite articles. Amo a los perros. Los gatos son mejores. Me gusta mucho el verano. Number 4, to determine possession or ownership. El auto de Clara o la casa de mis padres. Number 5, use definite articles to talk about languages. El español or el inglés. Indefinite articles, on the other hand, are a lot more intuitive for English speakers. But let's see some rules anyway. Number 1, to talk about or describe general things when there's no intention to determine what specific thing. For example, necesito unas gafas. I need some glasses. Or, Hay una persona en la puerta. There's a person at the door. Number 2, to refer to singular objects. A house, a plant, a person, una casa, una planta, una persona. Number 3, to refer to approximations. Un poco, a little bit, a while, un rato, unos minutos, a few minutes. Number 4, and also in slang, it's used to emphasize. For example, hace un calor, it's so hot. And also, don't forget to not use any articles when you're describing your religion, your profession, or your nationality. Okay guys, and that's it for today's video. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. No olviden suscribirse a nuestro canal. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn your notifications on so you don't miss any of our content. Also, make sure to check out OCTB's website at octb.us and book your first free demo lesson with a native speaker from Latin America like me. And I hope I'll see you there. Nos vemos. Mwah.